kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong kocongpi. Ke emission kelap le bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Ka Khasi Students Union hapo ka jingelang General Secretary ubalering rat taryang. Ka Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People West Jaintia Hills hapo ka jingelang General Secretary uba nangkrau rani. Hakakatway tarik ujaliw aja upon riyo kila IT da jingtho. Syaka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council halo ka jingdawa ban ai trading license yaki barjala ki bahyar chi ki thany war Jaintia ban kit mar syakari Bangladesh. Ka jingdawa jung kini ki arli seng bahalang kalong hadin chisngi bikla hiar jurep syakaput war Jaintia haba klalap dak spa atli ki terap kit mar jung ki barjala ki bamdani kot kisla ki babyang bagi bamdani trading license ki bakamai sahu syaka tiga than.
Kasngi ka kadway tarik na kalyang jungi atseng ka KSU ber FKGP West Jaintia District. Ila da panwanbu away ka kot licensing officer. Misa ngila di ban kendu UM tang ba kem poin tang sing office ngila kendu na licensing officer nyibu ka kot ban persya ban ai ka trading yaki semnok trading license ginu ki brio ban wan pan na beta ki truk ki bakit mar ki bakhayi si ki than war Jaintia. Te menen ke 10 tarik na kalyang juni aseng ngila da panwan le ka joint inspection satay pan check ek ta ki kot kali nilap ba ki spa atli ki kali ide kali jong ki barjala jong ta ki dakhar ki haki kerteng jong kot kali lami de ta ki kerteng dakhar be ta ki joy deep das ki bonjat ki kerteng dakhar na kalyang jongi ka na kalyang jong FPGP banjur bat ka persya ajur ya ka JCDC baka nembet pan ai ya trading license daliliru ba ada lese lada nakaliam jong JCDC kam sim kiai kini lada nakaliam JCDC ka ai ya kan trading license nakaliam jong ngi insa sempat ko kesenjam bat lada ngi haban sim akti jong iru nakaliam kaseng ilong ka balakloy
bu kujing dawa bareng nakaliam jong council bakam dei ban ai sernot NOC dan trading license yunu barjala bawan pan nang khamtam ha kam di baki prado prasam di kelapan tray badi inta ka jing kerdu kam terujam hadu bakhang ni doyong bila pun kita jungi kita ut andre tang don perkalat de ko mai perkalat kini tray sis thanwar pan khai su bangla andre kumpang ilap niyo komplain pan ki driver ban ki katukan malik ba ya ka kam jong kiru lawan kini no lagi barjela ki ba promosi ingi beseng pada ki pai ba hi baro mudah mahamjur council bakam di banai sernot yaki balada ngilap hagini kiski benuman ru nginum sengek ngin selik kenrabiang balada ngilap yaki kita trading lasen ru nginum khin ngin be yaki lada gile persya kin sim hi kijing bakle lejong.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.